Imvuno yelitiko letempilo impunga lizingozi nayivulwa semthethweni lonake leligumbi litakuchicita wona-ke umoya ikakhulu yona-ke i-oxygen lapha-ke elu-commission lesebenza kakhulu-ke uma kulashwa tona-ke igciwane le-COVID-19 idumise kakhulu-ke lo msebenzi kulandzela ukuthi live lakangwane liyatilungiselela ukuthi nafika sona-ke siwombe sesithathu se-COVID-19 libeke nelive selilungele kulwa nalo mkhuhlane nokulapha sona-ke sive semaswati esitawuthola wona-ke lo mkhuhlane.
Sibonga i-vision yama-ke ekho la lewafika sikhathi lapha sikhona asale le oxygen yakhiwa khona la event ngoba nakulamanye amavivele bayayakha isale yakhiwa khona la event nabe nginganicocela njengoba lanzile naye nalabanye kwekuthi ekucaleni sasibuka nokuthi nale mali sasicabanga becabanga imadlana nje lebo 12 million lamuhla sikhuluma 34 million later ukhona sibona ukuthi oxygen
umphathi walesibhedlela selu-commission make Echo van der Waal uthi teke bona-ke basibhedlela selu-commission baboneke kufanele ukuthi bakhe lona-ke leligumbi kute-ke batakwati ukuthi sive semaswati sitakale.
This project provides 1,000 liters per minute of oxygen for this facility on this site. In addition, the plant has the capacity to fill 285 cylinders per day to supplement oxygen needs at other healthcare facilities. We are so honored and humbled to receive this gift today, which represents a deep commitment by F&B Eswatini Foundation.
Umphathi we-F&B Foundation umnumzane Dennis Mbingo uthi tebona-ke bayi-F&B Foundation bayatichenya ngokuthi-ke banibandakanye ekutheni basite lona-ke litiko letempilo kulandzela ukuthi bachase lona-ke ligumbi lokuchicita yona-ke oxygen ngemali-ke lenganga 500,000 emalangeni.
And to go to the ministry and work alongside the ministry plans is something that needs to be commended. In any other timing, we would have been sitting here today discussing plans for an oxygen plant. But TLC came out and said, we are going to have a plant by April. We don't know how, but it is going to show up, and this is what we see today.
Imvuno lizingozi ithiteke ngokuba khona-ke kwaleli gumbi lokuchicita wona-ke umoya i-oxygen lapha-ke eveni lakangwane. Lokhu kuyatshengisa ukuthi live lakangwane litawukhona kulwa naso-ke siwombe sesithathu semkhuhlane we-COVID-19. Endzabeni temsakato iyemaswati channel ngingeri Carlos naJustice Lamini sesithokothwa.